Hi everyone, in this video we will see about the data profiling option in Power BI, specifically in Power Query. So basically whenever we analyze the data, the first thing that we have to do is to understand its quality, and this tool will definitely help us, and it is available in Power Query or Power BI. After coming into a Power BI, there is a view tab. You have to click on it and the data preview option. You have to click on the column quality. After clicking on the column quality option, we can understand the column quality, and there is the other option, column distribution. On the column distribution, there are two options. The first is distinct and the second is unique. So basically unique tells us about the unique value in a column, and the distinct is how many different values in a column regardless of how many times they appear. And there is one option also, column profile. The column profile gives us the column statistics like count, how many errors in the column, empty, 0, empty, distinct, that you have seen, distinct and unique, and mean and max. So it's a distinct column, so there is no mean and max, and it is really helpful feature before analyze the data. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.